Hey you guys, today I'm coming to you about the sugar apple. It's also known as a custard apple and a sweet sour. Now, this fruit is a species of the Annona family, which is a genus flowering plant, and it's a native to South America, Asia, and many tropical places. It has a weight of 3 to 8.5 ounces, and it also comes in colors like purple, blue, and bluish green. When ripe, this fruit exposes its center, which carries 20 to 38 slightly poisonous seeds, so do be careful when consuming. It's very high in vitamin C, and it also is very high in calcium. So anyone who is allergic to dairy, you can get everything you need from this one fruit. You can do things like put it in smoothies and ice cream. You can top anything off with it. And there's even a place that makes wine out of it. This fruit is amazing. It's very high in vitamin B3, so it can help prevent cardiac arrest and asthma attacks. It's also high in dietary fiber, which can help you lower your cholesterol. This fruit is just amazing, and it has a juicy and very sweet taste. Some people even take the custard of the apple and put it on boils and ulcers because it helps heal. Now, I never heard of this plant until I looked it up this week, and I was so happy to bring it to you guys. So for everyone who's pregnant, you should definitely jump on this bandwagon. It helps minimize labor pains, and also if you're having mood swings, nausea, and morning sickness, it helps fight all of that. It even helps the baby development of their immune system, nervous system, and brain development. If you're considering breastfeeding, if you are that natural, it also helps the production of breast milk. Amazing, right? I did not know any of this. This is just crazy. This fruit almost looks like an artichoke on the outside, so don't be too suspicious. To know if it's ripe, give it a little squeeze, and it should be soft enough. You should also let it sit in room temperature until it is ripe and then refrigerate. Alright you guys, I'm getting out of here. I'm going to learn more about this fruit and maybe make me some ice cream. I will see you guys next time on my next video, which I will post next Saturday. If you like what you heard, there's a subscribe button at the bottom, and I'll be very happy to inform you guys every Saturday about a different food that helps benefit your life. I'm so excited. Oh, did I mention to you guys, if you have diarrhea, you can also dry this fruit out and put it in warm water. Soothes all that. It's crazy, right? You can also add a little bit of honey to it, and you can use this as a weight gainer. The possibilities are endless. And because it's so high in vitamin A, it helps the healthiness of your hair, your skin, and even your eyesight. Craziness. Okay, I'm getting out of here. I'm learning too much and I'm sharing too much, and I don't want to babble on. So, see you guys next time.